Now if you're having 8 raised to power minus 2 over 3. In the last video, so we talked about the negative power. So first of all, you need to change this negative power to positive power. So and you know that our 8 is same thing as saying 8 over 1 raised to the power of minus 2 over 3. So if you're having 8 over 1 raised to the power of minus 2 over 3. Now you know that if to change this negative power to positive power, you are going to turn this upside down. You look for the reciprocal of 8 over 1. The reciprocal of 8 over 1 gives you what? 1 over 8. 1 over 8 raised to the power of what? 2 over 3. So now, so that means by looking for the reciprocal, we will remove this negative power. So we now have 1 over 8 raised to the power of 2 over 3. Now, since this is a fractional power, the denominator of the power, we will use it to find the roots. So that means you look for the cube root of 1 over 8 raised to the power of 2. Cube root of 1 over 8 raised to the power of 2. So now, if you are having the cube root of 1 over, so that means you first of all look for the cube root of 1 over 8. What is the cube root of 1 over 8? So the cube root of 1 is what? 1. And the cube root of 8 will give us what? 2. Then this power, raised power of 2 is still there. Then you now find the square. So that means you now have 1 square. 1 over 2 squares. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. So 1 square. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. So that means you now have what? 1 over 4. Now let's move further. We are having number 8. 4 raised to the power of 1 over 6 times 4 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now this is multiplication. So that means what you have to do is what? You are going to add their powers. So 4 raised power 1 over 8, 6 times is what? Plus. If it is indices, then you now say what? Raised power plus 1 over 3. So since this is a fraction, 4 raised power, then the LCM of 6 and 3 will give you 6. How many 6 are in 6? 1. 1 times 1 is 1. How many 3 are in 6? 2. 2 times 1 is what? 2. So that means we are having 4 raised to power 1 plus 2 is what? 3 over 6. So that means you are going to have 4 raised to the power of 3 over 6 is what? 1 over 2. Now if you now look for the square root, so now this is 4 raised to power 1 over 2. This 2 is the denominator of this fraction, which is now used to look for the root. So that means in this, you now look for the square root of 4. So the square root of 4 will now give us what? 2. So that will be our final answer. Now, let's move further. Number 9. You are having 16 over 81. 16 over 81 raised to the power of minus 3 over 4. So first of all, we need to remove this negative value. So that means, and in indices, we said that for us to remove negative power, we said that we must find the reciprocal of the fraction inside here. So 16 over 81. For us to remove this negative power, now turn to what? 81 over 16. So that's the reciprocal. So the one down will go up and the one up will come down. 81 over 16. Then now it will now raise to the power of 3 over 4. This now gives us the new power, 3 plus positive 3 over 4. So now, when we said that whenever we are having a fraction to be as a power, the denominator of this fraction, which is 4, is used to find the root, while this numerator is taken to be used to find the power. So that means you are going to use this 4, which is making what? The fourth root of 81 over 16. Then you now look for the cube. Now, fourth root of 81, that means the same number you multiply 4 times, that will give us 81. That was what? 3. Fourth root of 16, the same number you multiply 4 times, that will give us 16. That is what? 2. So that means you have a 3 over 2. Then you now look for the cube. You now find the raised power 3. So from here, So that means this cube will affect everything here. That means it will be what? 3 cube and 2 cube. That's 3 cube is what? 3 times 3 times 3, which will give you what? 27. And 2 cube is what? 2 times 2 times 2, which will give you what? 8. So that means the answer is for 27 over 8. So we can easily write this as a mixed fraction. How many 8 and 27? We have 3. Remaining what? 3 over 8. Now let's move to the last example. So now we are having 2 whole number 1 over 4 into bracket of 1 and a half. So whenever you're having mixed fractions like this, the first thing is for you to convert it to what? Improper fraction. So 2 times 4 is what?